Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Elise Eats, and today I'm going to show you how to make a really simple and easy dinner recipe for when you come home from work or uni and you just don't want to spend hours cooking. It's really quick, it's why I like to make this one, and it's really delicious. It's a really meaty pesto pasta. So these are the ingredients you're going to need. Oil for frying, about 500 grams of beef tortellini, about 200 grams of steak. I'm using fillet steak here because I got a discount from my friend who's a butcher. Thank you, Dom. Take the steak out of the fridge at least 15 minutes before you want to cook to allow it to come to room temperature. This helps keep the beef soft. About half a cup of pesto. Now you can use jarred pesto or make your own. We have a little recipe for that. 2 bunches of baby broccolini. It looks like a lot, but trust me, it works. Some fresh lemon zest and then salt and pepper to taste. Let's get started. Actually, I'm going to time myself because I actually want to see how long this takes me. It really doesn't take long at all, so hold on. We're not branding for Apple, by the way. Let's go. So I'm going to fill a pot with some water, add a couple teaspoons of salt to that, and put it on high heat to let it boil. In the meantime, I'm going to chop up my broccolini. I'm going to take about 1 centimeter off the bottom.
It landed right next to my toe.
And then I'm going to chop it into bite-sized pieces. Then I'm going to take this and either put it in a steamer or put it in the microwave for about 2 to 3 minutes until it's nice and softened. I'm using the microwave because it's quicker. While the broccolini is cooking and the water is starting to boil, we're going to season our steaks with some salt and pepper on both sides. Then in a frying pan, we're going to heat up some olive oil on a medium-high heat. And then we're going to place our steaks and brown each side for about a minute. This is both the top and the bottom and the edges of the steak. Don't worry, it's going to cook more than this. Then take the steaks off the heat, and we're going to slice the beef into bite-sized pieces. As you can see, it's quite raw at this point. Then we're going to put it back into the frying pan, put it on a high heat. Then we're going to fry it. And then we're going to add the broccolini and stir it around for a minute while we cook our pasta.
We lost one.
Oh no! Save him! No, I eat.
Don't use your fingers.
Once the water's boiling, we're going to add our pasta and cook it according to the instructions. I typically cook it slightly less time, maybe a minute under, because I don't like the pasta to go mushy. Then we're going to drain the pasta and put it back into the pot, keeping about a 1/4 cup of the water. This just helps the pesto really incorporate well. Then we're going to add the pesto to the pasta, mix it around to create a sauce and coat the pasta. Then we're going to add the cut up steak, broccolini, and stir it around. Then we're going to add a little bit of lemon zest over the top, stir it, and it's good to serve. Season with extra salt and pepper if needed.
Pretty impressive.
Now, typically, I like to use a bit of a fattier cut of meat when I cook anything, but this I highly recommend using fillet steak because the way we cook it, it's gonna come out tender as hell. This is a great and really filling meal because you get a lot of protein from the filled pasta and the steak, healthy fats from the pesto, and you get a lot of fiber from the broccolini. It's so filling and it just makes you feel good, and it's so creamy and comforting. You have to make it. Okay guys, so that's how you make my quick pesto pasta for dinner. It's so quick and easy, it smells amazing, and it's really good for you. And we took about 17 minutes and 57 seconds with all the faffing around. And this is our mate Reese who just popped by. He decided to come over from Melbourne, which we're very happy about. And we're just like, do you want to eat some pasta?
I would love to eat some pasta.
Flavia, get over here.
I'm coming.
All right. Oh, we can all say let's eat. You ready?
We can.
Wait, you ready? Everyone get a bit of pasta. Okay. You ready?
Yeah.
Okay, let's eat.
Let's eat. Cheers.
Yep, not synced at all.
No.
Oh.
That's so good.
Try the
Some
meat.
of
No,
that
no.
steak.
I'm not gonna lie, this is probably my favorite way to cook steak.
I'm searing it. That's so tender.
I know.
I need a butcher friend.
No, this is all technique, honey.
Yeah, but the steak, I never get this kind of steak. No!
No, come back, it's fine. But yeah, try it, it's really easy. And this will probably feed me and a Flavia the dinner and lunch probably, so then you don't have to cook for lunch. Great.
What a great
filling.
idea. What a good meal.
Okay, bye, you can leave now.
Okay, bye.
Bye. We love you. Hey guys, thanks for watching this video.
Like and subscribe if you want to see more.
And please leave us a comment down here. We'd really love to hear back from you. Let us know if you want us to make anything. Ideally fandom. Pew, pew, pew. Finger guns.
Lame.
I don't care.